Hey Spartans!
Hey Eagles!
Central and
Southwest have come together to create a
united message of appreciation for our Central and Frontline workers.
It's important that we show thanks as a community and stay home for those who stay at work for us.
So here's our thank you
to
the workers of our community who continue to put our health
and safety first.
Thank you to all of our essential workers in our school district. This is actually all of our employees. Each one is essential. Our teachers, counselors, and principals, each one is an essential worker to make things happen. However, there are many more employees who are essential that are not working remotely. Every day, these are the folks who help keep our schools clean, our buses running, provide meals and security services, and much more. Thanks to all those district employees for your dedicated work. And to our community, please wear a mask and get tested. We still need to do our part in the fight against COVID-19.
You turn out fine, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. I know it's hard, to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh.
Hello, this is Craig Lyon, principal here at Central Union High School, and I just want to take a moment to thank all of our healthcare, essential and frontline workers that are out there supporting the Imperial County on a daily basis, taking care of us during this difficult time. We truly appreciate you here at Central, and we just couldn't do it without you. So we thank you so much for all that you do for us to keep us safe. And with that in mind, we want to tell all of our Spartan students that we truly appreciate all your efforts during this distance learning. We know it's a difficult time, but continue to be Spartan strong. And that means we want you to follow the guidelines of our state and our county. And that means, wearing your mask when you're out in public, making sure that you are keeping that social distancing and, washing your hands, doing all those things that are important to get us back here on campus at Central. So thank you for your efforts and your resiliency. And we look forward to seeing you very soon. There's exciting things going to happen, hopefully in the near future. And so we want to, again, thank you for all you do.
This is Matt Phillips, principal of Southwest High School. On behalf of Southwest, it's my privilege to give this shout out to all of the essential workers of Imperial County. Thank you for what you do for our society. And a special thanks to those who work in the school systems. Because after all, if you work for a school, you are essential. Thank you for supporting our students and helping them reach their goals. Hey, we're in this together. Let's protect ourselves and each other so that we can have a better tomorrow sooner than later.
Hi, my name is Hannah Zia.
Hello, my name is Onik Molina.
And today we're here to talk to you about stress management, both mental and physical.
So one great way to relieve stress is to meditate and pray. This helps to quiet down the mind, allows you to self-check, calms the mind and body, and it feels like you have someone to talk to. Another great way to relieve stress is to practice body relaxation exercises and practice journaling.
So another great way to manage your stress is by exercising. This could entail even something as simple as walking around the block. Exercising releases endorphins, and that ultimately calms down your body. Another thing that you can do to manage your stress is to change your environment. Stepping out away from the computer and away from any technology and going outside can help recharge and refresh your mind. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.
Dr. D. All right. Hi, folks. I'm Chris Tomaszewski. I'm the Chief Medical Officer and a physician at El Centro Regional Medical Center at the University of California, San Diego.
I am Adolph Edward. I'm the CEO from the University of California, San Diego, but I'm the CEO of El Centro Regional Medical Center.
And we're here to say a few words about COVID-19. The bad news I want to tell you, even though you may hear differently, COVID-19 is a deadly disease. People die from it every day in this city, in the state, in the country. You got to be on your guard to keep it from getting spread throughout the community.
I want to also let you know that wearing the mask like this doesn't help you. Wearing the mask like this doesn't help you. Wearing the mask appropriately and wearing a mask is really going to save a lot of lives.
And washing your hands and not shaking hands.
And that would actually going to help us. And by the way, the social distancing is good because I don't know if Dr. T really wants me to be that close to him anyways. So this is a good thing for stopping the spread of the disease.
So the good news is if you're young and healthy and you get COVID, you'll probably get over it. You might be sick for a couple days or a week. But the problem is you could spread it to loved ones in your family. Anyone in your family or anyone you know that's older, especially over age 65, or has any diseases like diabetes or high blood pressure or a little chunky, if they get COVID, it's not a walk in the park. It's potentially deadly. So please do your part not to get COVID so you don't take it home to the ones that you love in your family.
Because you know what? We want grandma, grandpa, mom and dad, and our uncles to be with us for many years to come so that they can celebrate. And don't think that you shouldn't be asking them for money. I would be asking them for money. So that's a good side news story. So keep them around, please.
Yeah, we want the scourge to stop so we can open everything, we can get back in school, and we can party again.
Thank you guys. Have a great time.
Take care.
Thank you, everyone. Please stay safe.
This is the Southwest ASB Director, Chris Spanos. We wanted to offer one last sincere thank you to all of the frontline and essential workers. Your efforts over this last year, putting your lives on the line each and every day to keep this community up and running, can't go without sincere gratitude and appreciation from all of us here at the Central Union High School District. We wanted to combine efforts with our student leaders, both from Central and Southwest, to send this message to all of you. So from everybody in Spartan Nation and here in Eagle Country, thank you very much.